Hello guys, I'm Baron Castro and I'm here to explain my answer in the quiz. The quiz on addressing modes highlights how the 8086 processor accesses data through various techniques, each designed for a specific situation in memory, handling, and instruction execution. The first exercise identifies these techniques, such as register addressing where data is transferred directly between registers, direct addressing where the instruction points to an exact memory location, and register indirect or base index modes where registers like SI, DI, BX, and BP help compute effective memory addresses. Moving to the second exercise, the assembly snippets provide concrete examples of how each addressing mode functions. For instance, immediate addressing loads a literal value directly into a register, while index and base index addressing use a combination of register and displacement values to access data efficiently. In the address calculation exercise, the physical address is computed by combining the segment and offset values, demonstrating how the 8086 forms 20-bit memory addresses. The debugging exercise further shows how different addressing modes interact during execution, and it also involves analyzing data flow, resulting in a final AX value produced by adding two memory values. And lastly, the practical problem ties everything together by creating a small assembly routine that store a value in memory, retrieves it using direct addressing, copies it between register, and finally stores it again using register indirect addressing. Overall, the set of answer illustrates the importance of addressing modes in low-level programming, showing how each mode offers flexibility and control for accessing data in memory. So that's all, and thank you.